How to fix Snapchat not working issue. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimul from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can fix if the Snapchat app is not working correctly. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we might actually want to do is to simply, if I open my Snapchat app and let's say it is not actually working properly and you are facing some kind of issues, the most basic reason for that is that your Snapchat app could be lacking an update. So go ahead and open your app store. Once you open your app store, in the search box simply go ahead and type in Snapchat, and then make sure you have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. If there is an update button available there, go ahead and simply tap on the update button. You can also see what is new on the update. You can see it says bug fixes and improvements. So whenever Snapchat app actually updates the Snapchat app, then it is actually going to fix the bugs and improvements. So you want to make sure you have always updated to the Snapchat's latest version. Always go over to your app store, or you can also actually enable auto updates on your app store settings in order to actually auto update the application whenever there is an update button available. Once you've actually updated, go ahead and try to use Snapchat and see if that fixes the issue. If that doesn't, the other thing you can do is to actually clear the cache files. So go ahead and simply long press on Snapchat app and then go to the app info page right over here. And if you're on iOS, actually you could go ahead and simply try to actually also offload the application. Once you're on the app info page, here you want to tap on storage and cache button. As you tap on storage and cache, you can tap on clear cache, and then you can also tap on clear storage. Basically, this is going to actually reset the app to the time of the installation when you first installed Snapchat on your phone. Now you can go ahead and open Snapchat, re-log into your account, and see whether the issue has actually been fixed or not. We hope some of these solutions may have worked for you, and if it did work for you, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.